Hello dear students, welcome to Mathlearn. Today we'll do trigonometrical ratios chapter for ICSE class 9. We'll referring the book from Concise Mathematics, Selena publication. So trigonometry chapter itself is a new chapter for the students, and this is introduced in class 9 in ICSE. Let's think what we read, what we study in trigonometry. Children, whenever trigonometry we study, we deal with a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. And right angle triangle, you know, the one angle will be right angle, and the other two angle certainly will be acute angle. Okay, let's take one example of triangle ABC. ABC is a right triangle where B is the 90 degree. Now, whenever we talk about trigonometry, we understand there are three sides and three angles. It is very essential because we only study about the angles and the sides. So this, if you say AB upon BC, this is one ratio of the two sides. You can say even BC by AC or AC by AB and so on. There will be three ratios because we are studying trigonometric ratios. So let us understand what is the meaning of ratios. And in trigonometry, I said we study about the sides of the right triangle or the angles of right triangle. So here you can see there are 6 ratios of the sides. You cannot do more than 6. Let us write all the ratios. One will be AB by AC, or you can say AC by AB. Other you can say BC by AC, or you can say AC by BC. And one more pair is there, AB by BC or BC by AB. Can you find any other ratio apart from these 4? No, you cannot find. Now, if I look from vertex C, then this BC is called, in the context of angle C, this BC is called base. This is called base. And opposite of this vertex C is called perpendicular. This is very important to understand. Because you know, this AC is called always hypotenuse. But which one will be base and which one will be perpendicular, that completely depends from where you are looking. If your eyes is here at C point, then this is perpendicular and this is base. So for angle C, I will say for angle C, AB is perpendicular. In short, I will write only P. And BC is the base. So now you can say, if I will say no, I will look from the A, I will not look from C, then what will happen? Yes, if you look from A, the opposite of A is BC, and this for this along the side this AB will become base and BC will be the perpendicular. Sorry, if I said base, for A this BC will be perpendicular. Let us draw another diagram. A, B, C. When I said in context of angle C, if you are looking from C, along the C, this side will be the base, that means BC will be base, and opposite of C will be the perpendicular. But if you are referring the angle A, that means from the vertex A you are looking. Say then your opposite side what? Opposite side is BC. Then in this, for angle A, BC will be perpendicular and AB will be base, and AC remains always hypotenuse, not AC. If I change the level, the hypotenuse will change definitely, but opposite the right angle is always hypotenuse. Okay? So these three we must understand which one is hypotenuse, which one we call perpendicular, and which one becomes base. So all it depends, base and perpendicular changes due to the angle. Now AB by AC, if I am talking about this angle C, if for C, if I see here one new terminology is coming, it is pronounced as sine, S-I-N, sine. Sine angle C. Sine angle C will be the AB by AC. You may surprise why sine, and then I will tell another name, cos, then sec or tan, cot, and you will be puzzled that why sir is saying so many unfamiliar words. These are not unfamiliar words for everyone, because Greeks have invented trigonometry and they have given these terminologies and we have to go with them. So what you will understand, sine is what? Sine is nothing. Sine is a ratio of two sides of a right triangle. That means sine of any angle is ratio of the perpendicular to hypotenuse. Perpendicular to hypotenuse. See, this is the angle C and this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So sine means sine of any angle is what? It is a ratio of the ratio that is perpendicular to hypotenuse. So that we call sine. So these are the trigonometric ratios. One trigonometric ratios you have read sine. So opposite of that sine we call cosine, cosec, C-O-S-E-C, cosec angle C. Cosec angle C, here not much space. Cosec angle C equal to AC by AB. Just you make the reciprocal of AB by AC. AB by AC's reciprocal is AC by AB. So sine is reciprocal of cosec, or cosec is reciprocal of sine. So if sine is AB by AC perpendicular by hypotenuse, cosec becomes hypotenuse to perpendicular. Okay, another ratio BC by AC, and this is called cos. Cos of angle C. Cos of angle C. And this is called sec. Sec of angle C. So cos is, you understand, BC is base and AC is hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse is cos, and sec is just of reciprocal of cos, that is hypotenuse by base. Another, this is called tan. Tan angle C equal to perpendicular by base, and the reciprocal of tan is called cot. Cot angle C equal to base upon perpendicular. So it is the ratio base to perpendicular. So these 6 trigonometric ratios, they are called sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. They are called trigonometric ratios, and this we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, let's look into the question number 1 from your exercise 22a. See, one triangle is given, and it is of course a right triangle because B is given 90 degree. So now from these values, given the value, see AB and BC is given some 3 units and 4 units, and now you have to find the value of sine A, cos A, cot A, and these all trigonometric ratios. So for your benefit, I will keep sine of angle, sine of any angle equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos of any angle equal to base by hypotenuse, and tan of the angle equal to perpendicular by base. And reciprocal of sine is cosec, reciprocal of cos is sec, and reciprocal of tan is cot. Since you are studying first time, so gradually you will remember it. Let's do the first one. Sine A, that means sine A, that means you are looking from this angle. See, this angle. So sine A means perpendicular, opposite of the side, opposite side of the angle, that means BC, upon hypotenuse. Sine of any angle equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, and perpendicular is what? Opposite to that angle. BC is there, but AC is not there. Sine A, you have to find out sine A equal to CB by AC, but you don't know AC, so you cannot find sine A. But since ABC is a right triangle and we know Pythagoras theorem, so we can write AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. You know this formula, right? That hypotenuse square equal to side square plus another side square. So AC is the hypotenuse here, and AB is one side and CB is another side. So you can find out AC square equal to 3 square plus 4 square, which is 9 plus 16 equal to 25. That means AC square equal to 25. That means AC equal to 5. AC you found 5. So sine A equal to A. Every time you understand, this is not the perpendicular. Perpendicular is with the context of the angle. So this angle and opposite of this angle is CB. So CB by AC. AC is always hypotenuse. So sine A equal to CB. CB is 4 and AC is 5. So this is your answer, sin A equal to 4 by 5. If you are getting this, let us do the second one. Cos A. Now again you have to think cos A, cos of angle means base by hypotenuse, and cos A that is the along the angle, the side along the angle is the base. That means cos equal to base equal to AB base by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always AC. So now you know all the three measurements. Now cos A equal to, very easy, AB is 3 by 5. Once you know all the three sides, then it is very easy to find out any trigonometric ratios, either sin, cos, tan or cosec, sec, cot. Third one, cot A. Cot A equal to cot of any triangle, any angle equal to P by B, but cot will be, tan is P by B. So cot will be reciprocal of tan B by P. Base is what? Base is AB. AB by BC. AB is 3 and BC is 4. Let's do fourth. Sec C. Sec C. Now for C, now the another all 4, 5, 6, all angle is angle C. That means you no more looking from A, but you are looking from angle ACB, this angle. So for this angle, sec is reciprocal of cos. So B by H, it is H by B. H is always AC, and B, what is B? Along the angle, the side is called B, so it is BC, AC by BC. AC is 5, BC is 4. So sec C equal to 5 by 4. Now let's do another rest 2 also. Cosec C. Cosec C is reciprocal of sine. Sine is P by H. That means it is H by P. H you can write 5 and P. For C, P is 3, AB. So 5 by 3. Okay. Cosec C you can write AC by AB. Sixth one is tan C. Tan C again, you will see here P by B. P is opposite sides of the angle. That means AB. AB by base. Base is along the angle. That means BC or CB. That is AB 3 by 4. Let's move to number 2. ABC. Here is also one right triangle is given, but here you very careful. This A is the right angle. A is the right angle. This type of figure only to confuse you, because always you are used to see the right triangle, this type. But if this type of figure is there, generally people get confused. So this is angle A, this angle A, right angle, and AC, this you can say AC, and this you can see, say AB. BC is 17, AB is 8, AC is not given. So you understood that this is right angle, and opposite to right angle BC is here hypotenuse. That you should keep in mind. Once you identified which is the hypotenuse, I think you can solve any question very smoothly. Now, let's find the value of cos B. Cos B, which is this angle, cos B. Cos B. Cos B is the, for your benefit, I kept this on the board still, cos of any angle equal to base by hypotenuse, and base is what? Base is, if you say, you cannot say this is along the angle, BA is along the angle. You cannot say BC. BC is also along the angle, but BC is hypotenuse. So you keep the hypotenuse away. Only you have to clarify which one is base and which is on perpendicular. So you understood when cos B, if I am seeing in context of B, angle B, then BA is the base. So cos B equal to base means AB, and always hypotenuse is BC. So cos B, you understood what is there? 8 by 17. Cos B was given only you have to understand which one is base. Base is AB, because BC is hypotenuse, and which side is touching the angle B? Not AC, this is BA. So 8 by 17 is cos B. Second, tan C. Tan C. C means this angle. C means this angle. And tan is perpendicular by base. If you talk about angle C, then perpendicular is opposite of the angle, and that is AB. And if you talk base, perpendicular base, if you talk about base is along the side, that is CA. But CA is not given. So if one of the side is not given, you cannot solve this. So first of all, we have to find the AC. So here I know hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. That means BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. BC is given 17 square, AB is 8 square plus AC square. 17 square minus 8 square equal to AC square. I always prefer to 17 plus 8, factorizing by factorizing this, 17 minus 8 equal to AC square. So 17 plus 8 is 25. 25 into 17 minus 8, 9 equal to AC square. See, here you are revising A square minus B square formula, A plus B into A minus B. Your algebraic expression, algebraic factorization also gets revised. So AC square equal to 25 into 9. So AC square equal to 5 square into 3 square. So AC equal to 5 into 3 equal to 15. So AC you found 15 and tan C equal to AB by CA, that is AB is 8, 8 by 15 is the answer. I hope you understood. By Pythagoras theorem, we are finding out the other side of the right angle triangle, and here how AC square I have done. If you didn't follow, then you can do 17 square and minus 8 is 64, and you can do in your own way. But this one I found it easy so that I can show you how to find the AC. So I did here. Number 3. Number 3. Sin square B plus cos square B. Sin square B. So you can find out sin B. Sin B equal to, this is B. That means sin means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is AC. Perpendicular is AC, and yes, hypotenuse is always BC. So sin B equal to AC you have found out 15 by 17, and cos B already we have found out 8 by 17. So sin square B plus cos square B equal to 15 square by 17 square plus 8 square plus 17 square. Big multiplication, 17 into 17, 289. So 289 is in the denominator, it's 225 plus 64 equal to 9, 8, 2. 289 by 289. Oh, very good. 289 and 289 gets cut. So this answer becomes 1. Sin square B plus cos square B we calculated and it becomes 1. Number 4 is remaining. I hope you can do yourself. Only sin B, you have to get the value of sin B. Already we have got 15 by 17 into cos C. Cos C we have not done. Cos C you can find out from here, and then again plus cos B into sin C you have to do, and find out yourself the answer of this, and this remains your homework. Please do it and write in the comment section. I will wait for your comment, and the right student, please give your name. I will announce his name in that YouTube. Thank you for doing that. I hope you understood. You got the idea what the trigonometric ratios are, and you got what sine, cos, tan and cot, sec, cosec. These are not very difficult thing to understand. These are only ratios what we have been studying from the very junior classes. In 22A, rest of the sums will continue this, but in some next video. For the time being, take care and bye-bye.